Hello everybody, this is Technicya. In this video, we will learn how to edit or highlight any text in a PDF file using a built-in feature in Windows 10. Here in this video, we will use Microsoft Edge browser. First of all, we will check the version of the Microsoft Edge browser. From the right panel, click on three bars, scroll down, at, and click on help and feedback. Now from left side click on about Microsoft Edge. Here you can see the version is 1.104.0.1293. Now we will edit our current PDF file. Close this one. I have a sample PDF file. To open this Microsoft Edge, right click on open with. Now click on Microsoft Edge. Here we have a PDF file. If we want to highlight this text, drag with the mouse button and now right click and click on highlight, choose the color. This is highlighted, and this one I am going to change the other color, red, or this one, right click and sky blue. Okay, and we can also add some text, just like wait for a while. Yes, here just like I want to add some text here. Right click and add text. Here you can see add text. Add text, just like I 20k. Yes, it's written. You can also change the color of this one. In the sum of, just like right click and add text, it's 30k. From here you can change the color. You can also uh, increase or decrease the text size, and here I am adding a new text. You can drag on the proper location here. John, this is clicking by this one, it increases the size of the font, and this is the width, this is decreasing the width. You can also delete, and before pressing the enter key you can adjust it. Yes, now you will have to save this. In my last video some comments are, I read some comments that you are not able to save. Here you can save, see this disk button. Yes, it's saved. Now I'm going to close. Now I will open with in the PDF reader, Acrobat reader, and verify. Scroll down here, you can see the amount I added, the text, and I think yes, there is a highlighted colors. Guys, I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe Technicya. I will catch you in my next tutorial. Bye.